Hey, what's up, No Cookies fam? Welcome back to another exciting episode where we explore the latest and greatest in technology and science. It's Mark here, and today we're diving into some seriously mind-bending tech that could change the way we understand the world around us. Ever wished you could stop time? Imagine being able to pause everything around you, just like in the movies. Well, we might not be superheroes, but science is getting pretty close. Researchers are making incredible strides in manipulating time at a microscopic level. Let me introduce you to the time-freezing microscope. This groundbreaking device allows scientists to observe and analyze processes that happen in the blink of an eye, giving us a new perspective on the microscopic world. Imagine being able to see cellular processes in real time, or even slow them down to understand the intricate details. The possibilities are endless and could revolutionize fields like medicine, biology, and materials science. So, stay tuned as we delve deeper into how this amazing technology works and what it means for the future. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. So, what's the deal with this crazy gadget? You might be wondering why everyone is buzzing about it. It's not just your run-of-the-mill microscope, it's a game changer. This isn't just another tool for scientists, it's a revolutionary leap in technology. Picture this, a device that can literally freeze time. Yes, you heard that right. This microscope can halt the movement of particles, allowing us to observe phenomena that were previously impossible to capture. Imagine being able to pause life at the tiniest level possible and examine it in super slow-mo. This means we can study the intricate details of cellular processes, understand the behavior of microorganisms, and even delve into the mysteries of molecular interactions. The possibilities are endless. This technology opens up new frontiers in research, medicine, and even environmental science. By freezing time, we can gain insights that could lead to groundbreaking discoveries and innovations. It's like having a superpower in the palm of your hand, transforming the way we see and understand the microscopic world. But how does it actually work? This bad boy uses quantum fields to hit the pause button on time. Yep, you heard that right. It stops particles in their tracks so we can see the invisible world like never before. Think of all the cool stuff we can do with this. Imagine the possibilities that open up when we can observe the tiniest details of life and matter, like watching a virus invade a cell in real time, seeing every intricate move it makes as it tries to breach the cell wall, but with the ability to pause and zoom in on the action. This means we can study its behavior, understand its mechanisms, and potentially find ways to stop it, or capturing that split second when a chemical reaction sparks. Imagine being able to slow down the reaction, analyze each phase, and understand the underlying principles at a molecular level. We're talking about next-level science, people. This technology isn't just about cool visuals, it's about gaining insights that were previously impossible. It's about pushing the boundaries of what we know and can achieve. From medical breakthroughs to new materials, the potential applications are endless. This is the future of scientific discovery, and it's happening now. Now, this isn't just for the science geeks out there. The time-freezing microscope could totally flip the script in fields like medicine, biology, and even materials science. Every frame we freeze opens up a whole new world of discovery. If you dug this video, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and drop a comment on what you'd freeze if you could stop time. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.